Hey guys, welcome to the video. So today I'll be showing you how I do my clients' artwork and how I go about doing my commission artworks as well. So usually with the client's artwork, it depends on the brief. With this one, the client had seen a previous painting of mine that she really liked, which was all tropical and bright. I'll put a picture of it here. And she wanted a similar one for her home, but with her portrait. So what I did was I grabbed the same images that I used for the previous painting, and I got her to send me some portraits of herself, some photographs that she liked, so that I could use as reference images for her new work. So after I have all my source images together, I then go and start the painting. And this is done by getting the canvas that they like, the size and type, as well as all the paints that they want to use and the style of painting. So this one I was going to do similar to the other one, so I used oils. And then I start by making a rough sketch of what I'm going to paint, just to hash out the composition and colors. And then I just pretty much go for it and start with whichever section that I'm most inspired by, and then just keep completing it. Another thing to keep in mind when making a client's artwork is payment and how you go about tracking your hours and how much you charge. I've had a few practices over the years and adjusted my rates and how I track, but usually I just time when I do my sittings, like paint sittings, and how long that takes and how many I do them for, and then just add it all up at the end.
Because I feel again, I feel again, oh now I feel again, we're bringing this back to life. Help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way. Can we try to fight against the grain of throwing out what we made? The future's far away, but I will stay, because I feel again, I feel again, oh now I feel again, we're bringing this back to life. We're picking up where we left off and on again. We never quite could forget, 'cause what we got so intense.